The investigation by her office is just beginning, but the child and youth advocate says she's committed to making sure that her previous job doesn't cause any problems. Linda Clemens Spurrell used to be a senior official with the Child Welfare Department. That's the department her office is now tasked with investigating.
I will not be reviewing any of the information personally that comes into this office, and should something arise that necessitates me to declare further, then that's what I would do.
Clemens Spurrell has faced growing pressure in recent weeks about her role in the review.
She was probably the senior social worker in the province. I think she was assistant deputy minister before she was appointed child and youth advocate.
Right, 2019 to 2022.
That's right. So she'd be investigating herself.
To remove any taint of impropriety or conflict of interest here, it's important that an outside investigator, a person to lead this investigation be appointed.
But the advocate is brushing aside those concerns and defending her role in the process.
The work of this office is truly independent of nature. Since the inception of the office, processes have been in place to identify conflicts and how to mitigate them. So what I would say is that while my previous employment may have been with Children, Seniors and Social Development, until I know there is a conflict, and then we would deal with that.
It was so troubling to us to hear that there could have been a systems failure.
Nearly a month ago, the Premier directed the advocate to investigate policies and procedures in the Child Welfare Department, in the wake of CBC Investigates reporting on the Tony Humby and Bruce Escott sexual exploitation case. The two men were neighbours in this area of St. John's. Humby has pleaded not guilty. Escott has accepted a plea deal. They're accused of abusing 13 youth in St. John's. According to untested search warrant documents, some of those youth lived in group homes under provincial care. The RNC court filings provide an account of how police and social workers were aware of allegations against Humby for years before his arrest. The advocate says her office has significant investigative powers to do this review, but it's too early at this point to know when a report will be complete. Rob Antle, CBC News, St. John's.